Good morning, children. This is chapter number 9 for class 4 and the name of the chapter is Be United. So, be united means together. We should be together. So, in this chapter, we are going to study about the value of unity is strength. Unity means when we are together, that will bring the strength. So, as we know, India was ruled by British for more than 200 years. Okay, British, the English peoples, they have ruled India for more than 200 years. Finally, it achieved its independence on 15th of August 1947, that you all know because we celebrate 15th of August in our schools also. After that struggle, the people belonging to different religions, speaking different languages, they having different states got united to fight against the British domination. Our unity gave us the power and the strength to achieve freedom. However, the rose of freedom has brought the thorn of division along with it. So what he is saying, that we are living in India. So in India, many cultures are followed, many religions are there, many type of different type of languages are spoken in India. So what is that? Because all the peoples are different, they all are doing such, they all are different, but still India is a united country. Still the people of India, they are with one another. So when we are united, when we are together, that will give the power and strength to us to achieve the freedom. So rose of freedom has brought the thorn of division along with it. Rose of freedom has also brought the thorn of division along with it. So roses of freedom means when we have got the freedom, after that thorn means spiny substances, they have bring the division along with it. So the partition of India reduced the strength of country. When the India has divided into many parts, so that partition, that thorn of division, when the India is divided into many parts, so that has reduced the strength of the country. It hampers the growth or progress of the country. Hamper means stopped the growth and progress of the country. So now there is a story which reveals the strength of unity. Now we are going to study that story. So in this story, the name of the story is Unity is Strength. So in this story, as you can see in the picture also, there are a flock of birds who was flying from one village to another in search of food. So one day, as they passed, they were flying and they were passing from one place to another. So they have seen that some grains, okay, you can see the reddish grains, you can see in this also, some grains were there in the field. So one dove, the leader of that group, she has said that come, we will eat those grains. They fly downward, and old dove, she has seen the net and she warned, don't wait, don't be in hurry. There is a sense of some danger. Maybe some trap has been laid for us. Trap means jal. Okay, so maybe some trap has been laid there for us. So stop, do not go. But my dear old bird, you know what that we are coming, said another bird. Yes, agreed by other, but disobeying the old bird flew down and reached the ground. Because the old doves she has seen, but still these birds has not listened. They came down and they sat on the net. Now, before they could eat anything, they were trapped in the net. Now there is a net, their feet, their wings, that were trapped in the net. Before they had eaten anything, they have not eaten anything. As they sat on this net, they were trapped inside the net. The bird fluttered with the wings to escape. Now they are trying to fly, as you can see in the picture. They were fluttering. Okay, they are moving their wings, but they will not be able to fly. But what they can do? They had tried a lot, but they were not able to fly. At last, they were tired. After that, they become tired. They were repenting of not listening the old dove warning. They have not listened old dove. So they were just discussing, they were very regretting that we should listen, but we have not listened. They apologized the old dove and asked it to suggest some means to escape from it. Now they were apologized means maafi mangna. Apologized means maafi mangna. So किससे माफी मांगी? Old dove. And after that they were asking that dove, please suggest us something how to escape. यहाँ से हम बाहर कैसे निकलें? They feared that soon the bird catcher come and kill them. Now they were very scared that the bird catcher who catches the bird, he will come and he will kill them. Now what happened after that? The bird catcher, he was just watching what is going on. Now the old dove thought something and said, friends, individually we do too small and too weak to free ourselves. If we try to separately, nothing will happen. Okay, if you will all try separately flying, so nothing will happen. So what they have to do? They all have to fly together and move in the same direction. Then I think we will be able to fly along with the net. Now when I give you the signal, each one of you will start flying in the same direction. Now every bird was agreed. Just then they saw the bird catcher coming along. You can see in the picture the bird catcher was coming. Now the old dove gave the signal and the bird, they began to fly in the same direction, carrying the net with them. You can see in the picture they have carried the net along with them because they were together, they were united. The bird catcher was astonished to see that. Astonished means surprised to see this. He ran after the birds, but the birds flew out of his reach. The bird catcher scratched his head in distress. Distress means now he is very sad and he was just scratching his head. He lost the birds as well as his net. Why he was scratching his head? Because he has lost the birds as well as the net. After flying for a while, the birds reached a village where the old dove friends, a mouse, was living. And seeing its friend, the mouse came out of its hole and greeted the dove. And the mouse, then he has cut the net, and all the doves, they were be free. So what we have learned from the story? When we are united, we have the power and strength. When we are united, we have the power and strength. United means when we are together, it will give us power and strength. So we should be united. We should be together. So this is the story, children. The question and answers of this story also I will send you along with the video. So please complete your work because till this chapter you have in your second term examination. Okay, so complete the topics in your copy. Thank you, children.